Near rivers and forested valleys, where the sound of flowing water never fades, resides one of India's most remarkable raptors, the brown fish owl. Silent and solitary, it spends its life close to water, where fish glisten beneath the surface and frogs hide among stones. For this owl, the river is both a home and a hunting ground. The brown fish owl belongs to the family of large fish owls found across South and Southeast Asia. It is a cousin of the mighty buff fish owl of the East and shares its lineage with the majestic eagle owls. In India, it is widespread, from the lowland rivers of the Deccan to the foothills of the Himalayas, where the forest meets streams and gorges. Its heavy brow and forward-facing yellow eyes give an almost human intensity to its gaze. Those ear tufts aren't ears at all, but feathered crests used for communication and camouflage. Its plumage, streaked in shades of brown and buff, breaks its outline perfectly among bark and stone, allowing it to sit unnoticed even when you are standing just right below it. By day, the brown fish owl prefers silence and stillness. It rests near streams, on rocky ledges, tree forks, or shaded ravines. Its calm posture hides a life of remarkable precision and power. When evening arrives, the owl awakens. The forests grow quiet, and that is when the hunt begins. The brown fish owl hunts mainly by watching. It perches patiently over water, eyes fixed on the ripples below. With excellent night vision and silent wings, it waits for movement. A fish surfacing, a frog leaping, a crab scuttling over stones. And then, in one powerful strike, it descends. Its broad wings spread wide, talons slicing through the air, and when it rises again, its claws often hold the shimmer of a fish. The owl's legs and talons are specially adapted for gripping slippery prey. Its rough foot soles help hold fish firmly. Even its feathers are slightly less soft than those of forest owls, reducing the risk of soaking while hunting near water. Fish make up much of its diet, but it also feeds on frogs, crustaceans, snakes, small mammals, and large insects. Occasionally, it may even take small birds roosting near the water's edge. Every element of this ecosystem connects to the brown fish owl. Where rivers are clean and forests intact, frogs and fish thrive, and so does the owl. But when streams are polluted or forests fragmented, its presence fades away. So, finding a brown fish owl is not just a sighting, it's a sign that the river still breathes. Though often seen alone, these owls form pairs that stay together for years. They nest in rock reefs, tree hollows, or ledges above stream, safe from floods and predators. The female lays one or two eggs, and both parents guard the nest fearlessly. For weeks, the male hunts tirelessly at night, bringing food for his mate and the growing chicks. And as the evening deepens, the brown fish owl's calls echoes through the valleys, a deep, resonant that rolls like distant thunder. It is not a song but a statement of presence, a sound that belongs to rivers, to stillness, and to the wilderness that nurtures both. As dawn approaches, the owl returns to its perch, high above the valley, watching the mist rise from the water below. There, in the quiet glow of morning, it rests again, a patient guardian of the riverside forest. The brown fish owl, a silent observer of life and time, keeping watch from the heights as another wonderful day begins. This is Quantum Explorer INC, inviting you to experience the wilderness of Uttarakhand, where every call, every shadow, and every river tells a story.